Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Golf hood. First, you'll need to locate the interior hood release lever. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often down by the door sill or under the dashboard. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a click, indicating that the primary hood latch has been released. This action will slightly pop the hood open, preparing it for the next step. Now that the hood is slightly ajar, walk to the front of your Golf. You'll need to reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right in the center. Carefully feel around for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally, so it requires a separate action to fully release it. It might feel like a small lever or a tab. Once you've located the secondary latch, either push it to the side or pull it up, depending on your Golf model. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood completely open. Use both hands for a steady lift. Look for the hood prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole to keep the hood securely open. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 inches above the closed position. Don't slam it, just let its own weight do the work. A firm but gentle push down on the center of the hood should engage both latches, securing it completely. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.